What you doing, Spencer? Hello. It is snowing out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Kay,
Huh?
what are you doing?
I'm just climbing down the stairs myself.
Yay! It's so exciting that it snowed. Oh, the snow, it's like a good, I don't know, 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Look on the deck. Yeah, that's about, yeah, about that high. How high that is. Oh, there's Joseph making a snow angel. Beck, are you gonna make a snow angel too?
Looks good. I see the head, the wings, the feet.
Woo, it is cold out here. Blowing, snowing right now. Looks like they're going down the stairs. Can't imagine they stay out here too long. Hey, Spencer. Okay, makeshift snowballs. What are you guys doing? I don't see one. Oh, good job, Kay. Hey, Becca. So that's there, Jeff and mine's snow bibs. They're a little big for them. That's great. What are you doing?
I shot you. Yeah. Man, I missed.
You gotta be nice to me.
Ah!
If you want hot chocolate, you gotta be nice to me.
Why are you staring at me?
Alright, well that's snow in North Carolina.